Welcome back to another video with your one and only trader Sam. I see something unfolding here which is going to trick a lot of people, but if you are on the right side of this move, you can make some nice gains. So stick around, I'm going to explain it in a moment. Also, we're going to talk about this fake out that we had, faking to break this support level here and then getting a nice pump to the other side. I'm going to explain to you how I shared this setup with the Legends Discord community. But before we jump into it, guys, please remember I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is for educational purposes. And you know what to do. If you're enjoying the content, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, guys, for the algorithm. Your support really means a lot. All right, now let's crack on. So you can see here that we're currently trading just above this value area high and daily level here. Now, on checking CVD, we have some local CVD divergences. So taking into account these lower highs right over here on lower time frames, we are currently being rejected. We're not able to get above these highs and we are seeing some local bearish CVD divergences. So what I am seeing potentially playing out here is a revisit to the breakout zone of this value area high. Plus we have a naked daily level here. So we could sweep these lows for a quick liquidity grab, getting the liquidity from these early longs, but then proceeding to go back to the upside. Could look something like this, coming down to the daily, either breaking beneath and then gaining acceptance back above and getting that move up. Or it could be something like this, where you have a slight front run and then you come back up, attracting early longs, and then you take out some more liquidity there before coming up. So this is something that I have made aware to the legends inside our Discord community, and I'm sharing it here with you before it could potentially play out. Now, obviously, this is just one scenario. So what we like to do is we like to have certain scenarios mapped out so that we have our alerts set. And once price action gets down and makes an alert, well, then we can assess the situation. We're not setting limit orders, we're setting market orders. We're waiting for the desired reaction and then we are getting in. Sorry about the screenshot of my phone here. I am traveling at the moment, so at the time of this recording, I was not at my computer. But as you can see here, we have this upward sloping trend line from this ascending triangle and price was breaking beneath it. So I went on to explain to the community here, this break of the sloping trend line is likely to be a fake out, legends. Let's see if we gain acceptance back inside the ascending triangle for confirmation of this being a fake out and that we can expect higher prices to come. Notice the low volume on the breakdown and the large volume of buying pressure, as well as this mini inverse head and shoulders on the 1 to 3 minute time frame. So what I'm doing here is I'm just explaining a little bit of education on why I have these thoughts. Why am I seeing this as a possible fake out? So this was quite some time later. I believe this was a fake breakdown, legends, and we are destined for greatness. Just having a little joke there with the community. Higher prices to come. At this point, we were back testing this sloping trend line here, this support trend line. Price action was looking quite bullish in my opinion. And then finally, about an hour after, that's where I updated again. And there it is, legends. Recognize the patterns and price action and act accordingly. So as you can see, we got a nice big pump there, all the way from those lower prices where we were faking out back up to test the resistance trend line of this ascending triangle. As you can see here, we came above the range high here, all the way up to $35,940 approximately. So that was a really nice move. If you had gotten into this move here, I mean, that was over a 3% pump. With a little bit of leverage, it was a very nice trade indeed. I went on to tell the community that I am remaining bullish. We're not seeing any major signs of weakness. We've seen slight signs of weakness within this range here, which is completely normal because you can't just go to the upside all the time. You do have these small pullbacks. So higher time frame, I have told the rest of the community, I am looking for higher prices. I'm expecting this yearly high of 36K to be retested and to go higher. I mean, it is possible that we get a big failed attempt at breaking the yearly highs. However, I am expecting that we do come up to 37K. But that doesn't mean that if we get rejected from 36K, that I won't be ready and waiting to see that reaction for a potential trend reversal where I can get into some nice short positions. Looking at the ES as always, guys, you can see we are very much still bullish here. We have not hit our interim target of this bat pattern at the golden pocket region yet. So there is still a lot of bullishness to come for the ES. Also, the DXY, guys, you can see we are stalling here at the retest of these lows at $105. So I'm expecting a little bit more turbulence here before a potential breakdown once again to test these lows at $104, which will also mean a nice move to the upside for Bitcoin and the rest of the market. I'm still in my Ethereum trade on Bybit. I've taken about $300 profits off the table, still in some nice profits here. I have been taking profits and adding on pullbacks. So this trade is a nice one, and I do think it's going to go to much higher levels. And guys, if you want to trade like I am, if you're looking for the best exchanges to do your trading on, in my opinion, you don't need to look any further than Mexi or Bybit. Right now in Mexi, you can claim up to $20,000 worth in bonuses. And on Bybit, you can claim up to $30,000 worth in bonuses. And if you're enjoying these trading setups that I'm giving you, but you want to get more of in-depth analysis on a daily basis, well, then you can check out our Legends trading community where we have 25% off forever with code Legendary25. Myself and Andy, the other coach, we're continuously giving live updates as price is unfolding, sharing our trading setups, and a lot more. Make sure you take advantage of these links that we have here in the description while they last. That's it for this quick Bitcoin update, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao.